course somebody has to pull up right next to me trying to race. I'm not gonna waste my time on an NA S197 on the way home for picking the car up. I'm not doing it. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you're sitting back and relaxing and completely stress-free. The polar opposite of me right now. I gotta meet at Jay's in like 3 hours. I'm 4.5 hours away and I still have to load up my car. I'm currently staying in Florida for work and I'm trying to clean the Airbnb, trying to make sure I don't forget anything. And I'm thinking about how I gotta be at Jay's. I'm gonna be late. There's just so much going on. I'm leaving the place pretty much exactly how it was when I got here. I left a muffin for the next person, mainly because I have no room. I don't know by now, I'm a roofer. I got all these shingles that I somehow need to figure out how to fit in the back of my Honda Civic Si Coupe. And I'm literally loaded up with all of my stuff, peanut butter, ketchup, laptop, you know, the basics. I'm too stressed, we need to settle down. Let's settle down. This is a good video. This is a fun video, long-awaited video. Welcome back to today's video. It should be a really fun one, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. Today we're picking up the car, okay? 8 months at work we have been with this car, but it keeps breaking and breaking and breaking. The latest, the greatest, we have a new built trans built by Certified Performance. It's ready for 1,300 wheel horsepower. We have a Hellhorse twin turbo kit, custom 1 of 1. There are so many things that have changed with this car since the last time I had it. We also got new headlights. If you've watched last video, they're pretty sick. I love my roofing mobile Larry back here, but I am so excited to be back in the seat of this car. Just to kind of lay out the plan, I want to run 8s on this setup. Do I know if the stock motor is going to hold? Probably not. But we're gonna try anyways. I'm gonna take it easy here off at first, but the goal for the overall build with the Hellhorse twins and that built trans is to run an 8. On the pass that I broke my previous trans, I ran a 9.8 at 143. We're hoping to be closer to like a 9.5 or 9.4 on the first pass with this setup. Currently what's holding us back is the gear ratio. Again, if you watched last video, you saw that it was kind of shifting weird. And that's because of the gear ratio. It's shifting me into 5th at about 125 miles an hour. It's perfectly fine on wastegate. However, once we turn the boost up to our desired around 14 pounds safely, that's when it's starting to shift early on us, which I already went ahead and I got a set of 315 gears. I currently have the 355s, so that should make those gears longer. We are gonna be a little slower off the line, but again, first gear is non-existent, second gear is pretty much non-existent, so I could stand to make those gears a little bit longer. Anyways, for somebody that's late, I should not be sitting here, so let's go ahead, get this drive on to Jay's, and let's go pick this thing up. I am out of shape. That was simple. Easiest thing I've ever done. Need to turn the lights off. I don't know where that's garbage disposal. That turns it on. Nice. Okay, I'm leaving. Jay, I'll see you shortly in 4.5 hours to yell at me for being 2.5 hours late. Oh, come on. I know you guys are interested in how great my 2006 Civic Si sounds, so cold start. Told everybody that I'd be at Jay's around 6 and my ETA is 8:15, so pretty on the money with my guess. When I get there, it's gonna be dark, but I'm gonna sit through this 5-hour and 17-minute drive, and you guys just get to be there right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it. Jay is out here mad. He got the wrong parts for his motor, and he had to wait for me. Sorry, Jay. Bro didn't wash it.
Of course I didn't. You haven't even paid me for what I've done.
I thought that was included in the price. Damn.
You cleaned them pretty good. What happened?
How much life you think these puppies got?
Track life or road life? Because there's a difference.
Track life, definitely.
With good burnouts, I say maybe 5 to 10 passes.
5 to 10?
Depending on how aggressive your burnouts are, yeah, probably.
I do a pretty aggressive burnout. See, you can't even see my turbo like Connor's. You can see him, you just gotta look like...
They're really cool cars.
Jesus Christ. Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
I get to hear that under my ass for like 4 hours. Yeah, I know. I had dumps on my nitro setup for a while. I think he's just taking the car. You can't even really hear the turbos.
I think he's going to test out the cruise control.
Or the street tires.
All right, let's take all of his stuff.
I want to leave it running.
Am I gonna have to get a new battery, or is it just gonna charge on the way home?
Let's drive it home. I haven't got any chance to charge. It's only been driven up and down the road.
Pleasure. Till next time.
Mark my words. I told Parker to reset his boost controller, so when he put 16 pounds through it, 193, it blows up. Can't say I didn't tell you so.
All right, we're leaving to the gas station. I gotta fill up the Civic so Connor can drive that home. And then we got another probably 3.5, 4 hours. That'll be a total of 10 hours of driving for Parker today, so that is just awesome. So we are 30 seconds into the drive. It is so loud. The dumps are right under my butt, and it is so loud. This will save money on gas. We're already toying around. Making too much boost. I'm gonna have to mess with the boost controller because I'm making 9 pounds and I cannot be doing that. I can't hear you. I literally can't hear a thing. You're gonna have to text me or something because I can't hear a word you're saying. Of course somebody has to pull up right next to me trying to race. I don't like it. It scares me on 93 and on street tires. So this is a test. This is the first initial test. I have to behave. I'm not gonna waste my time on an NA S197 on the way home from picking the car up. I'm not doing it. That guy, pal.
much boost. So I gotta stop. Really gotta stop. My wastegate springs are 8 pounds, which with a boost controller, it can fluctuate about 1 to 2 pounds. So it's not gonna be a foreign thing for me to see 9 or 10. However, while I'm on 93, I really don't want to. I know it probably won't blow up, but there's just no point. Maybe I'm just taking it too slow because I just got it back, but I don't want to risk it. So I'm gonna throw it back on E85 once I get home. There's no E85 stations on the way home from Jay's, so I'm gonna have to go on 93. It's a must every time. Every time I come to Jay's, Pussies is a must. We haven't braked it so far. I'm tired. We haven't broken it so far. Just like an hour and a half left. I didn't think this one through. Bro, this is so clean. I actually don't think I'm gonna wash it. Thanks. Pleasure doing business with you. Alright, we left Bussey's. I ate my pulled pork sandwich. It was great, but it made me really tired and we're not gonna get home till 2 a.m. So, I'm gonna power through, tell you when we get home, and then we're gonna pick this up tomorrow morning where we can see the car, probably go get a car wash, and actually look at everything that's new. I have made it. Now I have the most challenging part of the trip. Making it through the neighborhood at 2 o'clock in the morning with this thing screaming. I made it home somehow. I don't know. I literally have been driving all day, but I made it, and we're gonna pick this up tomorrow when it's daylight outside and we can go get a car wash or something. Good morning. It's 9 a.m. and it is time to reintroduce my neighbors to old Stangry. First destination, definitely a car wash. This is horrible. 8 months of this gunk buildup. Oh my goodness. I got all of my car wash stuff. This is gonna suck though because it is 37 degrees outside right now, so I'm not excited. I'm sure my neighbors are loving this. I'm sitting here letting the car warm up. Just to go ahead and answer this because I've already been asked multiple times on TikTok and Instagram. The check engine light is for O2 sensors and the adaptive cruise control that is sitting right there. With that fat intercooler in the front, you can't mount that anywhere, which is where it's supposed to be to help the adaptive aspect of it. And so we can't have it on there, so it throws that check engine light, plus cats, O2s. I mean, that one's self-explanatory. The neighbors really are gonna love this one. I know they've missed this car being gone for so long. Everybody always looked at me when I drove around. I think it's because they liked it, not because it's screaming in their ear. The high stall converter doesn't help me much either because it just sits at 3,000 RPMs. Got the first little initial rinse so I can get just maybe one layer of the gunk off. Now I got my 2 buckets and I'm gonna sit here and wipe this down, freezing my ass off, and I'll show you when it's done. Oh, my hands are frozen. I cannot feel them at all. Okay, I really hope I don't scrape on the way out of here. It's really, really low right here to pull out, and I don't want the charge pipes to hit. Please, 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 please. Oh, come on. Hey, no scraping, let's go. All right, there's definitely spots that I could touch up and dry, but you know, if you own a Mustang, that there's crevices everywhere where water's gonna keep falling out, but I got most of it. It looks 1,000 times better, so that's exciting. Look at her. Dude, those headlights are menacing. Well, this was really just supposed to be a short video of bringing the car home so you guys know that it's back. To be honest with you, all I've got planned is to clean the car, which is probably gonna be pretty boring. So I'm gonna just post what we got right now. It's probably gonna be a short one, but I want you guys to comment what you wanna see with the car. Trying to line up a couple races. I've been trying to get with Gavin, or it's just a 6 for a while, but the car's been down. So I'm gonna try and set that up. I got a lot of fun things planned. I'm gonna go to the car meets around here. I got a bunch of buddies that are wanting to see the car, get a couple ride-alongs. I'm gonna try and get my mom in the car, but I doubt that's gonna work. Same thing with my dad, no shot, but we'll give it a try. Not a super action-packed video, but I hope you still managed to enjoy it a little bit. That is gonna do it for this one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. There is gonna be a crazy journey with this car. The goal for this build is to get into the 8s. If it's an 8, 9, 9, I will be perfectly satisfied. Last run was on a single turbo kit, ran a 9.8 at 143, so I'm hoping that the first pass with this one, which we're gonna kind of take easy, I can run like a 9.6 or a 9.5 and then start pushing it a little more and a little more. So that's just what I got planned. Whatever you guys got planned, feel free to let me know and I'll try and get it done. That is gonna do it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.